let's try it out here. Let me see it. Perfect. Perfect. Try this. You won't be disappointed. Yeah, it's good stuff.
We decided to sell the farm and hit the road. We're on an adventure of a lifetime with our 2 horses, our 2 motorcycles, and our 2 dogs. I'm Rhonda, and this is Jay. We are Pleasure Ride RV. Hit the subscribe button to follow on our next adventure. So today we're making taco pie on the fire pit. So that's what we're making today.
What are we making here, Mom?
Well, we've browned our ground beef. We gotta take it out. We have to saute our onions and our mushrooms. This chain's not hot.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put our ground beef back in, warm it back up.
You're a little hot on your legs. Stand over there on this one.
It's still hot.
It's more of the taco.
Okay, so what we're gonna add, a little bit of salsa.
Maybe something to rest.
No, still what? And then, gotta have taco powder, taco spice. Add lots of taco spice. And I add a little bit of Montreal steak spice, give it a bit of a spicy flavor.
We all need to see the name of it.
Montreal steak spice. So, I have to, give me a second.
Libby over there playing with her puppy. I think you got themselves tangled up.
Okay, so we just stir this all up.
Is there any more sauce?
No. You don't want it too wet because when you make the taco, you want it to be somewhat firm. So, okay, give that a couple of minutes and then we got to take it all out and put the tacos in. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
So the next step is we took our other 12-inch frying pan, cast iron, and we put a little bit of oil in the bottom. So now we take our tacos and we put them around the outside. Overlapping as you go around. So this will probably take 4. So overlap that all the way around. like that. Then I'm going to make it extra cheesy, so I'm going to put cheese on the bottom, which I shred my own cheese, it's cheaper. It's actually ground up cheese, so I put some cheese on the bottom. Like that. So now, gotta take the ground beef and take this off of here. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. Even that all out.
Needs to get a little bit more than that. Right in the center.
Okay. So, I'm going to put some tomatoes in there. Spread them out. These are just little cherry tomatoes that I cut up.
You're a little short.
That's okay, I only wanted a few. You just gotta spread them out. It's just like making a pizza. You just spread it all out. I'm gonna add some more cheese.
A couple more lumps in there too.
Why do you always have to?
Perfect.
So
Put
then,
like a lid on it. Yeah.
okay, now put a little more cheese back on top again. Then when it's all cooked and ready to go, then you add your sour cream on top.
Now we'll put a lid on it. Right, like that. And then we're gonna get this. Oh, right in my face.
You gotta get the hotter coals, honey. So you want to explain?
Chasing me around here.
Want to explain why you're putting coals on top?
Well, because we were told that it actually heats the top, which, well, the heat will be basically halfway between the two, the top and the bottom. Here, throw this bad boy on there. This is Jay slobbering at the finest.
Come on, Jay, really?
It's a little crusty on the bottom.
Well, tacos are crusty on the bottom. Are you gonna put all of that in your mouth?
Oh, I'm thinking about it. Okay, let's try it out here. Let me see it. Perfect.